In this video, I'm going to be showing the Custom Layers tool in OceansMap. So what this tool is it allows the user to create a shape on the map. So the user can customize the layer name. By default, it's set to draw polygon, but they can also draw a line or place a point. So if we leave it as draw polygon, you can see we can set the corners of the polygon on the map and double click. And then we can save this shape and go back, and you can see that the layer here is populated in the list. We can edit this particular layer. So if we click on this shape, we can edit the corners, add more corners. You can delete the selected features, change the name, or you can go in and edit the layer style with the gears button. So we can change the opacity and the color, and I can go ahead and save that, and you can see the changes saved there on the map. And then the user can import and export the layers that they create on the map.